Dude,
I know.
it's beautiful. On this episode of the Reckless Wrench Garage, the Stuburban's gonna leave the driveway on its own power.
So here we're pulling out the 208 transfer case that came stock in the Suburban. We're replacing it with the off-road design Magnum box and a 205 with modified shift rails and twin stick shifter. This should allow us to crawl over everything that we want to crawl over. Once that's done, we just got to make a cross member, bolt it all up, and be on our way.
Alright, all set.
Sweet. Got a cross member, transmission, and transfer case.
Sweet. Let's go do some burnouts.
We don't got drive shafts.
Always gotta ruin my buzz.
Gotta be real.
Fine. Let's go order some drive shafts. Wait, where are we gonna order drive shafts on the weekend?
I think I know a place. We've been shopping around for drive shafts for a while, and we found a new website called FullTorqueDriveshafts.com. We wanted to show this to you guys because it has a lot of really cool things that no other websites right now have. So if you're looking for some custom drive shafts, check out Full Torque Drive Shafts. Tell them Reckless Wrench Garage sent you. First thing you'll notice, you need to order a drive shaft. They have pictures for each type of drive shafts that you need. So you find the picture of the drive shaft that you're trying to build, click on it, input your information, and it's going to spit out a price for you right then and there. We're building it for a rock crawler. If you have a hot rod, a drag car, or even like a Jeep or something like that, you can get a shaft for everything.
Whenever you go to get some drive shafts built, one thing you want to make sure you have done prior to any of that is your yoke size selected. Depending on your build, your power, your torque, the angle that you're going to need on your drive shafts, you want to take all that into consideration and choose your yoke size. Choose your weapon. The three most common that I've come across, you have a 1310, a 1350, and a 1410. If you're unsure, you can always give Full Torque Drive Shaft a call and talk to them. They can recommend, whatever you might need.
Whenever you measure your length for your drive shaft, you want to measure from U-joint to U-joint in the center. And on something like a long travel suspension like the Stuburban, we took a static measurement at ride height, and then a measurement at full droop, and a measurement at full bump. We wanted to make sure we got enough slip spline built into the drive shaft, so on droop travel, we weren't pulling the drive shafts apart, and then on bump travel, we weren't impacting it together, and that would be really bad. So make sure you get your measurements right. We're gonna put together the rear drive shaft real quick for the Stuburban.
What transmission does the vehicle have?
It'll ask a couple questions about your specific setup. Since it is a custom shaft, they're gonna wanna know a little bit about what they're building the drive shaft for. Droop is 54 and an eighth.
Yep.
Bump is 53 and 13/16. For tubing size, if you're unsure of the tubing size to use, they actually have a guide on the website of recommended tubing diameter and wall thickness. Check that out because it's pretty neat.
Do I want bolts or straps?
I always recommend to use a U-bolt on a yoke. It's a lot stronger, lasts a lot longer. I hate straps. And calculate.
Enhance. Looks good to me. Enhance. Shoot, look at that. I got a price right there.
5 days later, custom drive shafts show up.
Ordered, Sarge. Now we wait.
We got our custom drive shaft from Full Torque installed. And us being the Reckless Wrench Garage, we can't recommend anything without putting it through its test first. So we're gonna take the Stuburban on its maiden voyage. The first time in 10 months.
Yeah. September was the last time I drove it. Let's see. It was on 35s. 10-bolt axles. Leaf springs. It was 27 inches longer. It had a different transfer case. Different suspension. A full interior. This should be interesting.
This might feel a little weird, but it's gonna be cool. We're really, I don't know, I'm super stoked because the last time this thing moved was on the front of my truck.
Ah.
That's a big moment for the Reckless Wrench Garage. I don't know about you guys, but I'm like so happy right now. We've been working really hard on this thing for the last 10 months. Obviously the Stuburban is far from done. We still have a lot of stuff to do on it, but this is huge for us. Like I said, this hasn't driven in 10 months. So this is awesome.
Sit down. Just find a spot for your feet and sit on the floor. Yeah, like that. Do that.
As I said, we're far from done, but major victory. loud. Real loud. Sounds real nice. Oh, this is awesome.
The wood under my seat is sliding around.
That'll be fine. Hey, Sarge. Bet you won't do a burnout. Oh, yeah. All is well under the Stuburban.
Oh, there's rubber everywhere.
Oh, yeah.
Gross.
Yeah, brakes are smoking.
Interesting. Okay.
Well, the drive shafts are burnout approved.
Okay. Well, Sarge, what'd you think?
That was awesome. I'm still like grinning ear to ear because that was awesome. That was a great start to our maiden voyage on the Stuburban. We've been putting a lot of hours into this thing over the last 10 months and finally got a little bit of payoff out of it. Roasting these tires that were a pain in the ass to put together. So we got a little bit of payback on them. But yeah.
Huge thanks, Full Torque Driveshaft. We couldn't have done it without you guys. If you guys are in need of a drive shaft, feel free to check them out. There are links in the description down below. You know, if you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button. Let us know in the comments down below what you want to see next. Keep in mind, we got a lot of small stuff to do next before we can get this thing ready for the trail. We're not sure what to put into a video. We got the entire interior to do, the whole body of the front end, a lot of little wiring to go. So let us know down below what you guys want to see. If you're already subscribed, make sure you hit the little bell so you get notified of our next video. If you haven't subscribed, now's the time to do so. Right now.
Well,
Click it.
until next time, stay reckless.